Okay, hello. We're back again for Elite Furniture Repair Service to doing the repair, show you cheapest way at home you can do yourself. Okay, this brake on sleigh bed, which one is common. Tools you're going to be needed if you have very cheap, like $3-4 each one, the cheap clamps. You can. That's the one way to fix it. If you have a drills, that's the other way to fix it. And the glue, and just a soft stick. It's on the very bottom, nobody going to see. Okay. What we'll do first, we take the fall off and try to find the best spot for the how it's break. And make sure you put in the very perfect spot. Check with your finger everything before you apply the glue. After you get the glue, apply the glue on it. Use a little brush just to spread the glue all over. You don't have to put too much glue, just enough to cover the. Very good when you put on both sides of glue. On a broken piece and on the bed himself. See, just like that. And when we finish that piece don't go nowhere. It's going to stay there forever. You finish applying the glue, get the broken piece, find the right spot. Because of that, it's a clean break. If you have just the clamps, no drills, when you clamp it right, that piece is going to stay and it don't move nowhere because there's a clean brakes and everything. See, you make sure check everything is even, just like that. If you have to correct a little bit, just lose it, move it, and clamp it. Because it's a long brake, you have to use the 2-3 clamps. You probably spend about $10-15. All you have to do, just clamp it enough that you can see the glue squeezed out. That's good enough. That's fixing it at home. Let me get a piece of wrap. Get the piece of wet rag, wipe the excess of the glue. When this piece dries, see, that piece is ready. You just wait 24 hours. I'll buy tomorrow 12 hours, and that piece is ready to use. But if you want them more secure, we have to use the drill. Just put the drill one here, one here, one here, and one here, and sink the screws in. Which one you can use it in 3-4 hours, that piece. And after, it's very cheap, just a soft stick. If you want to hide that, which one is on the bottom, nobody going to see, but if you want to hide that, just get the for a couple dollars, the soft stick, put it there and wipe it out. See, it's almost a disappear. Of course, we're not going to be do this way. We're going to be touch it up with different way. Which one is going to be cost a little bit more? But this is the cheapest way to do that at home. When you finish that, if you don't have a center support on your slots, wait, you're going to have that problem again. Maybe not here, another side, other side. Best way to avoid that, you have to get the you get a piece of pine from Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever it is, just screw in the center support and make sure it touches the floor when you put it on it. And when you put all the mattress, everything back on it, all the weight, it's going to be on these center supports. That way the rails is just going to be for looks. And that way you never ever going to have that problem again. And that's about it, and thank you for watching, and we'll be back in a couple days with more repairs. Whenever we'll pick up new pieces, we'll be back with that. Thank you.